How to clear the Windows Update cache in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to delete stored update files to free up space and fix update-related issues. First, click the Start button and search for Services and open it from the results. From there, scroll down and find Windows Update in the list. After that, right-click on Windows Update and select Stop to pause the service before clearing the cache. At this point, minimize the services window and open File Explorer. From there, navigate to C Drive, then Windows, then Software Distribution, and open the Download folder inside it. Following this, press Ctrl+A to select everything inside the folder and hit Delete to clear out all the cached update files. After that, if prompted to confirm, click Yes to proceed. From here, go back to the Services window, right-click on Windows Update again, and select Start to turn the service back on. At this point, once the service is running again, open the Settings app, click on Windows Update, and click Check for Updates to let Windows re-download any updates it needs fresh. Finally, keep in mind that clearing the update cache won't affect your installed updates or any personal files. It only removes the temporary files Windows uses during the update process. That's how you clear the Windows Update cache in Windows 11. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you catch the next one. See you then!